Hello people. So I got the 3070. I assume that's what this is. And it just got dropped off. Almost didn't start filming. I wanna thank StockX for sponsoring this video. I'm joking. Yeah, I ordered this off of StockX. It came in a bag. Here it is. I got the 3060 Ti.
Yo, that looks crazy.
Yeah, Mom, look. Alright, so let's get into the unboxing. Sealed by StockX. Yeah, because they had to authenticate it. So that's really cool. Alright, grand reveal. Just like an iPhone. Come on. It's going. It's going. Hang on. It's just like the iPad problem. Come on. Oh! Wow. Yeah, see, it passes through to cool it.
Does it fit in your thing?
Oh yeah, for sure. It's got the new 12 pin on the top.
I don't know, you just gotta film yourself putting it in.
I was about to say, I'm gonna... Alright, so now we gotta turn the PC off. Shutting down. It's not focusing. There we go. But now... a single drill bit. And now we got this little like adapter thingy because it uses 12 pin. I was using DVI for my other display, so I have to get an HDMI, and I also have DisplayPort for my 144 Hz. So let's go do that. There we go. I know it was originally a pre-built. Don't judge me, but it's in there. It's going. Looks like it's booting up, and we're in. Sweet. Now I gotta. Oh wait, I can probably. Oh my gosh, Fortnite! Yeah, it works. Thanks for watching.